حصل ان يوم الجمعة اللي فاتت طالب في رحلة مدرسية خبط فيترينا واقفة لوحدها فيها راس خشبية لتوت آمون وهو خارج من زهرة اللوتس. فالولد لما خبطها الراس مالت جوه الفيترينا. حصل سوء فهم بس يعني بس مش اكتر من كده. توت آمون فكله فكر في القناع على طول، مش القناع خالص. القناع في متشال بيشتغلوا عليه الفريق يوميا في قاعة 55 مغلقة وعليها حراسة وعليها 5 كاميرات مراقبة.
Well, it's very interesting that the mask of Tutankhamun, despite being one of the objects that is most photographed in the world since it was discovered in 1922, it has never been really scientifically documented and studied. So this unfortunate incident is giving us a seldom chance of making a full documentation and a detailed study of the materials, of the techniques, and of the ritual meaning of this mask. So this is a rare scientific opportunity, and at the same time we are now exactly finding out how this beard was originally attached to the mask and how it can be reattached in a way that makes it as secure as possible.
Currently the mask is in a very safe position. I mean, we have rested the mask in a vertical, in a horizontal position. Yeah, it is from itself in its structure not at all endangered. Even the beard is very strong. The mask is absolutely safe in the procedure of removing the epoxy glue. You know that there were some scratches in the mask, but this could not happen if you use wooden sticks to remove the glue, although it takes more time.